UL is proud to announce its family of standards now includes a free Digital View feature. UL Digital View makes important information available globally, supporting UL's mission of working for a safer world by raising awareness of UL's portfolio of standards and why they matter. Product designers, manufacturers, authorities having jurisdiction, and other stakeholders will benefit by having immediate access to standards that can support their safety initiatives. It's as easy as going to our website at shopulstandards.com, searching for your standard, and registering on the site. You will then be able to view each and every page of UL's family of standards. And there's no limit to the number of employees in your organization who can register to view our standards at no cost. You will not be under any obligation to purchase the standards you view. If your needs now or in the future include printing, searching, or downloading a PDF, we make it easy for you to purchase a copy or sign up for a subscription service. Partner with UL and build a safer world today.